Hi guys, this is Manogar here. Welcome to my brand new channel where I'm going to show you how to make money online with email marketing. If you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell icon to get the very first notification whenever I upload my videos. With that in mind, let's get into this brand new tutorial series where I'm going to show you how exactly you can make $10,000 per month with email marketing using solo ads. With that in the context, let's see what are the important tools that are required in order to succeed with email marketing using solo ads. Now, the very first tool that we are going to see is a funnel building software called Lead Pages. Now, when you click on the link in the description box below, you'll reach the lead pages. Now, you can always go for the start free trial button and you can try the software for 14 days for free to maneuver around the features and the UI to get to know more about the lead pages software. And when you scroll down, you see the plans available and you have the pay monthly or pay yearly subscription model. And then when you click on the pay monthly option, you have the three plans that are available: the standard plan, the pro plan, and the advanced plan. Now, for our purpose, standard plan, which is around $49 per month, is good enough. And the pro and advanced plan are for e-commerce marketing and collecting payments. Now, standard plan is good enough since we are going to use them for only for building opt-in pages, squeeze pages, and bridge pages. Now, if you toggle it to the pay yearly model, it comes around $37 per month, and you can save around $144 per year if you really got the budget to play around. Now, the next tool that I'm going to talk about here is the autoresponder. And the very first autoresponder that I'm going to speak about is AWeber. When you click on the link in the description box below, you will reach the AWeber page. Now you can get the AWeber free. Click on the get AWeber free, and you will be asked to enter the name, first name, email address, and those. And after that, you can click on the pricing button, and you have both the monthly and the annually subscription. You can click on the monthly subscription, and I will reveal later why we should go only for the monthly plan for the autoresponders. Now, if you go below, you can see the four different plans available, which is free, light, plus, and unlimited. Now, for our purpose, we should always go for the plus plan because in plus plan you have the unlimited email automations and unlimited custom segmentation, which is not available either in light or free plan. And the plus plan costs you around $29.99 per month. Now, why is that we need to go for the monthly plan in case of autoresponders? There are two reasons. The reason number one is that whenever your email deliverability gets affected at some point of time due to IP reputation, then even then, when you contact AWeber customer support, you won't be able to get the desired IP pool that you want. That's the reason. That's the reason number one. The second reason is that if your email gets banned due to policy or terms and condition violation, you won't be able to get back the unused amount which when you have subscribed and to the annual plan. But once if you get a good hold of the AWeber software and AWeber has never disturbed you or scrutinized you, and if your subscriber count has increased to 20, 30, even 40, 50,000, then I would recommend you to go for the annual plan in order to save money. Now, the second autoresponder that we are going to discuss about is Getresponse. Now, when you click on the link in the description box below, you will reach the Getresponse page. Now, you can sign up for free by clicking on the sign up button, and you will have a 30 days free trial where you can get to know the features of the Getresponse account. Now, when you click on the pricing button, you will know the pricing plan of monthly or the 12-month plan or 24-month plan. Now, when you click on the monthly plan, which I said earlier that you have to go for the monthly plan for the autoresponders. Now, We have four different plans for Getresponse, which is email marketing, marketing automation, e-commerce marketing, and Getresponse Max. Now, the plan which I'm going to recommend you for this email marketing with solo ads is going to be marketing automation. Now, why do we need to go for the marketing automation? Because in marketing automation, we have marketing automation and event-based workflows and advanced segmentation, which is not available with the email marketing. The next autoresponder that I'm going to talk about is system.io. Now, when you click on the link in the description box below, you will reach the system.io page. Now, you can click on the get my free account and you will be asked to enter the email address and get the free account. Now, when you click on the pricing button, you have four different plans where we have free plan, starter, webinar, and unlimited. Now you always can go for the free plan where you can use up to 2000 contacts and emails sent can be unlimited and sales funnel 3, sales funnel steps 15, blogs 1, and you can even create your own courses 1 up to one number. And you have so many other features that are available here. Now, in this tutorial series, I'm going to show you how to integrate each and every software, whether it's going to be the funnel builder or the autoresponders or even the affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank, Explodely, Warrior Plus, with the third-party tracking software, which is going to be the central command system of our system of how to achieve $10,000 with email marketing using solo ads. So the next tool I'm going to talk about is a third-party tracking software, which is called Optin Dojo. When you click on the link in the description box below, you will reach the Optin Dojo page. Now, Optin Dojo is the central command system of our email marketing business, which is nothing but the heart of our business. Now, when you scroll down the page, you will reach the plan where it shows that build monthly or build yearly, and you have three different plans: the marketer, the pro, and the guru plan. Now the marketer plan costs around $37 per month, and pro 77 and guru $147. Now if you are a beginner, I definitely recommend you to go for the marketer plan, which is around $37 per month. And if you really do have the budget, then I would ask you to go for the yearly plan where it is going to be around $27 per month and you can save around $10 per month. Now, why is that Optin Dojo is called the central command system or the heart of this email marketing business? Let me show you. You can clearly see here that Optin Dojo is going to be the central command system or heart of this email marketing business. Now, it is going to be integrated with different autoresponders like AWeber, Getresponse, System.io, and it is going to be integrated with the funnel builder, lead pages, and it is also going to be integrated with affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Explodely, and so on. So it is going to operate the whole email marketing business as a central command system. Optin Dojo is going to help you segment the non-buyers and the buyers, not only at the front end, but also the back end. And Optin Dojo will precisely tell you which particular email has got you the sale and the sale has originated from which solo ad vendor. So that's how precise it is, Optin Dojo. So that's why we call it as the central command system of this email marketing business. Now, in the next coming training series, I'm going to show you how to take on each software and how to navigate around and how to build the funnels and how to automate your messages using autoresponders and how to use Optin Dojo, which is the third party tracking software. In this final series, I'm going to tell you why, even if you have all these funnel building software, the autoresponders, the third party tracking software, even then 99% of the market is fail. And this is because of this very last component that I'm going to reveal in the last video of this series. So tune into these videos and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get the very first notification whenever I upload my videos. Now, for those guys who are really serious about online business and really want to live the life of their dreams and want to quit their 9 to 5 job, I will seriously recommend you to look after this program called Passive Income Profits by my mentor, Ben from Singapore. Now, when you click on the link in the description box below, you will reach this page. Welcome to Passive Income Profits. Now, when you scroll down below, you have three levels of mentorship program that is available. Now, the first one is Beginners Club, second one is Star Club, and the last one is the Inner Circle. Now, when you click on the tech curriculum for the Beginners Club, there are over 100 different videos for different topics, including email marketing and social media marketing and paid ads and course creation success secrets. Beginners Club is literally going to be a do it yourself where you can watch the videos and try to do it on your own. Now, the second one is the Start Club, where it's going to be 1997 US dollars one time. And this is especially for those guys who want to know the up to date strategies and advanced strategies related to email marketing, social media marketing, and paid ads. So here you can have a group Zoom sessions every week of minimum of 60 minutes. So you can also get to the personal Facebook Messenger to get your questions answered in less than 12 hours. Now the third one is the Inner Circle, and this program costs you around 699 US dollars one time. Now, why is this so high? Now, in this Inner Circle program, you can work directly with Ben perpetually until you achieve a minimum of 5,000 US dollars in profit for consecutively 3 months. Now, what is this consecutively 3 months? In case if you achieve the target of $5,000 in the first month and you reach $3,000 in the second month, and the third month you're again reaching $5,000 per month, then you're not going to get graduated under this Inner Circle program. And it's going to be $5,000 in profit consecutively in each month for 3 months in straight. So, and you also get once a week one-on-one Zoom session of minimum of 60 minutes. Now, when you really want to enroll into the Inner Circle, first I would request you to click on the check curriculum button and book a complimentary Zoom session with Ben in order to get to know each other, your goals, your aspirations, your budget, your time commitment, and all those. And once you are a good fit for Ben, then you can enroll into this Inner Circle program in order to succeed in email marketing with solo ads. So, guys, if you're really serious about online business and really want to live the life of your dreams and quit your 9 to 5 job, then I would seriously recommend you to look into this passive income profits program in order to achieve the life you want. And if you really believe you are on the 1% of this world and you're really willing to pay the price in order to succeed, then go and enroll in this program, Passive Income Profits, and get along with us in order to succeed in the email marketing business. With that said, let's meet in the next part of this training series. Until then, bye. Take care.